The filter feature offers a wide range of options for selecting address data. Filters can be set up and managed centrally in the menu under Addresses and Filters. You can choose whether you want to create and structure filters in directories for a better overview or whether you want to create filters directly at the top level. For a new directory, select the Create Directory action in the floating action button. Specify the level of the new folder and assign a name. You can also create a new filter via the floating action button by selecting the Create Filter option. In the next step, you then assign a name and can specify the folder in which the filter is to be created. For the actual filter conditions, you then select what the basis for your filter should be in the drop-down labeled block. In addition to filtering for personal data, you can also select affiliations to target groups, general response data in the client or response data from a specific message. Once you have decided on a category, select it by clicking on it and then click on the plus icon. Now select a field, in this example the email address, to determine which value should be used for filtering. Depending on the selection in the previous drop-downs, you will then be offered suitable comparison operators. You can enter the value directly or with the help of wildcards. Click on the tick to save the filter condition, which is then displayed again as continuous text. If you would like to combine further conditions in the filter, you can either insert further conditions as described above or use the copy function. Individual conditions can be linked with and/or by clicking on the buttons. Brackets and therefore nested conditions can also be created. To do this, simply click on the plus icon first and then carry out the steps described for creating a filter. To test results directly in the filter settings, you can select an existing target group in the counting area on the right and apply the filter to it. After filtering and calculating the selection, the result is displayed after the filter calculation. You then also have the option of saving this quantity for later use. To do this, simply click on the Save as Target Group button and assign a name for the target group. Click OK to save the filter and you can then use it for filtering both target groups and campaigns. The filter can be called up here in the menu at any time for later editing.